guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Melanin K, the girl boss, and I am here to bring you guys another work at home position. Guys, please remember like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notification bells so that you guys are updated each and every time I do bring you these jobs as well as videos. I have now started to vlog, guys. So do check out the vlog. Sometimes I'm vlogging while working during the day, and I also vlogged travel that I've just completed. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. This is going to be with Discover. They are looking for inbound customer service representatives to work their afternoon shifts. Now, guys, the first year incentives is going to be up to $2,000. Now, work from one of the offices in Ohio, Utah, Arizona, or Delaware, or remote from home in one of those same states or Illinois added to that. Okay, so this is going to be a job as far as your geographical area is going to actually need to be one of these states, unfortunately. So once you join the team, you'll actually receive an office setup stipend of $250 in your first 30 days and enjoy monthly internet reimbursement of $60. Okay. They haven't said if that's going to be per month or per year. I'm thinking that's probably going to be internet based per month. So great news. You are eligible for a cash bonus. Bonus is paid in the following increments within 30 days of the following milestone. So you'll get $500 following 60 days of employment, $500 following 120 days, and then another $1,000 following 365 days of being employed. So the class is actually set to begin November of this year, guys. So that is right around the corner. The shift start times are going to be 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m., 3 p.m., and 3:30 p.m. That's going to be Eastern Standard Time. All shifts are going to be listed in Eastern Standard Time and are Monday through Friday with weekends. So the starting wage and the minimum is going to be $16 per hour, but they do give you a shift differential, which is going to give you a rate of $19.20 per hour. So this includes actually paid time off. They do allow medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. You have tuition and reimbursement, 401k, employee stock purchases, access to the fitness center, full service cafeteria, and this is on site. On site health clinics, on site employee assistance program. They do offer Discover Care for their work family associates, and you also get perks at work. So what you'll be doing is you'll handle routine customer service inquiries and problems for 1 to 3 call type functions via telephone, digital chat channels, just through an effective communication. You'll navigate a computerized system for responding and or troubleshooting to the customer's questions. And how you'll do it is you'll assist over 100 customers per day. You'll make sure that you bring empathy to customers' inquiries. You'll utilize multiple systems. You'll leverage the 2 standard screens, and you'll build the Discover financial brand by providing industry leading care. Now, the qualifications are basic. So, strong verbal communication and problem solving skills, have the ability to multitask as needed to get the job done. They are looking for you to have a high school diploma or GED, 1 years of experience in related field, a quiet workspace area, noise free, internet service with a minimum speed of 5 Mbps, personal smartphone or in tablet. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and place these information in the description box. You guys can copy and paste that URL into your screen. And what you'll do is you have the choice here of auto filling your resume or just to apply manually. Or if you've ever applied with Discover already, you can use your last application and then update any information that needs to be updated. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Please remember, like the channel, subscribe, turn on those post notification bells, and go ahead, take a look at some of the vlogs that I've placed up. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely be back to see you guys soon.